I'm living in the so-called West, where my biggest problem seems to be the daily need of information and the damn low download speed. When they assemble network failure, cost you more than 1,000 nerves. But a leak of flowing water does not attract attention for days, not even in the future. No, we've got crisis in the world, especially one of them is driving me just real to be another buzzword. The so-called water crisis getting worse every day, but yet there are many people who think there's no problem. No problem at all, which could affect us somehow. Anyhow, the dimension of the thread being like some mighty head, but we are not flat on our back. Together we say don't stop, oh the flow. Today a water industry tells you what you have to drink. A normal table water sucks, it has to be oxygen pinned. The other side of the globe cannot afford clean water, but what should they drink? But yet there are many people who think there's no problem. No problem at all, which could affect us somehow. The dimension of the thread being like some mighty head, but we are not flat on our back. Together we say don't stop, don't stop, oh the floor. Don't stop the flow. Yeah. The dimension of the thread, being me like some mighty head, but we are not flat on our back, no, no, no. Together we say don't stop, don't stop, oh. The dimension of the thread, dimension, 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 being like some mighty head.